A very good morning, students. Welcome back to our maths class. So children, in our today's class, we'll be learning what? Another topic of addition, that is called vertical or column addition. Okay. So before starting our today's topic, let's give a quick recap what we have learned in our previous class. So what we have learned, children, tell me? Yes, we have learned about what? Addition using the number line. Okay, as I've already told you that there are three methods of doing addition. One is what? Addition using fingers. Second one is what? Addition using the number line. Right. And the third one is what? Vertical or column addition. So in addition using fingers, what we use to add? We use fingers. Second one, addition using the number line. What we do? We draw a number line to show the addition. Okay, what we draw there? We draw arrows. Clear? So, I hope it is clear. What is a number line? A line marked with numbers, we call it number line. Understood? So, in our today's class, the third method. What is that? Vertical or column addition. So, first we will know what is column or vertical addition. We can add numbers by writing them one below the other. We can add numbers by writing them one below the other. Okay, this is called column, vertical or column addition. What we do here? In this method, we add numbers by writing them one below the other. Right? This is called vertical or column addition. Now I will show you some examples. First I will show single digit numbers, how to add in a vertical or column addition. Then I will show you the double digit, two digit addition. Right? So let's take example. Add 2 and 6 by writing the numbers in column. So in column, what we do? In column addition, we can add numbers by writing them one below the other. So first we will write 2, then below 2 we will write what? 6. Okay, the below 2 what we will write? We will write 6. Then we will put here addition symbol, that is plus. Now we will add it up. 2 plus 6. Suppose you have 2 apples. Your mother gave you 6 apples more. So what is the total number of apples with you? In all. So 2 plus 6, it comes 8. Clear, children? Clear? You are writing in this way, we call it column addition. We add numbers by writing them one below the other. See here, I have written 6 below 2. Okay, then I add it up using the plus symbol and answer is 8. So this is how, this is the single digit addition by writing in column. Okay, one more example, let's take. Add 4 and 4. 4 and 4. Add it up. So 4 plus 4. How much? It comes 8. Okay. So 4 plus 4 how much? It comes 8. Understood now column addition or vertical addition? Clear? So the method of writing the numbers in this way we call it vertical or column addition. So children, now I will show you addition of 2 digit numbers. That means just now I have shown you how to add the numbers in column, single digit numbers. Okay, how to add single digit numbers by writing them in column or a vertical way. Now I will show you addition of 2 digit numbers. So what is the question here? You see, add the following by writing the numbers in column. These are all 2 digit numbers. Now we will do in a vertical or column addition. 2 digit numbers, how to do in column addition. I will show you this one now. So 3 examples I have taken. Number A, 24 plus 2. These are writing in a which order? Horizontal order. So I will write them in a vertical or column way. Okay. So 2-digit numbers, as I have already told you, 2 places. What are they? We have to write tens and ones. Clear? So tens and ones. So first we will write 24. 2 in the tens place, 4 in the ones place. Then below 24, which number I will write? 22. 22. I have written. Now put the plus symbol. So now we will add 2-digit number 2 places, tens and ones. First I have written 24. Below 24 I have written 22. Now I will add it. 4 plus 2. First I will add which place? Ones place. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. Then come to tens place. Add now tens place. 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 2 comes 4. So the answer is 46. Done? Now number B. Again we will write tens and ones because these are all 2-digit number. 12. Below 12 I will write which number? 31. 31. I have written. Now I will add it up using the addition symbol, that is plus symbol. So 2 plus 1. Again you add ones place first. 2 plus 1. It comes 3. Then come to tens place. Come to tens place. How much tens place? 3 plus 1 or 1 plus 3. It comes 4. So answer is 43. Clear? So the answer is 43. Now number C. Again tens and ones. Right, first 72. 7 in the tens place, 2 in the ones place. Then below 72 I will write 12. 1 in the tens place, 2 in the ones place. Now I will add it using the plus symbol. So ones place at first. 2 plus 2. How much children it comes? 4. Then 7 plus 1. How much children? It comes 8. So answer is what? 84. Clear? So this is how you have to do 2-digit numbers in a column addition. How to add 2-digit numbers in column or vertical addition? This way. This way we call it column or vertical addition. We can write the numbers or we can add the numbers by writing them one below the other. One below the other. Right. That process is called vertical or column addition. I have shown you 2 examples. First I have shown you addition of single-digit numbers. Then I have shown you addition of 2-digit numbers. How can we do in a vertical or column addition? Clear? So in today's class, what we have learned? We have learned about the third topic method, that is vertical or column addition. So 3 methods we have learned. So dear children, you practice this. Okay, you practice this. In addition using fingers, addition using the number line, then addition vertical or column addition. Clear children? Next class, I'll be continuing with this. Okay, with this chapter, that is addition. So till then, all the 3 methods of addition, kindly you all practice it. Clear children? Thank you.